And a hospital in New South Wales has been given the green light to test a potential COVID-19 vaccine. However, it would be carried out on patients that are unable to consent. These people are in intensive care and suffer from COVID-19 and acute respiratory distress syndrome. The New South Wales Civil and Administrative Tribunal made the decision in April, and we're now only finding out about it as it's made public. Robbo, is this the right thing to do?
You know what? I think it is. If I was in intensive care with both of these terrible diseases, I would want them to try anything to help with my life. The other thing as well, and I'm not just saying this, if I was on death's door but doing this would help other people who aren't on death's door, then I'd also be okay with it.
But shouldn't that be your choice and not decided for you? You know, we don't give blood transfusions without the authority from the family of someone in hospital. Why is this outside of that?
Because I think that they're on death's door. We know that they've also done other tests with this on healthy adults, and there was no massive, side effects or anything like that. I think this is okay. I think that a lot of things that have been thrown up. It's not like someone's just gone, we won't ask him. I think a lot of time and energy and thought went into it before they said, well, we're going to do this. It is possible under the Guardianship Act, so that they can do this in extenuating circumstances. So, yeah, I think this is okay.
Joe, there is an issue, though, that when you are...
Ethically, yes.
Yeah. I think we're in dodgy ground if they decide this is okay to do without your permission. What other experiments, do dying people because they're on death's door become guinea pigs?
I am 100% with you, Rob. Robbo, I do see what you're saying, and I hope, and it sounds like in most instances where someone is perhaps unconscious and life-changing decisions have to be made, that the guardian or a legal person has, through the courts, has been given permission to act on that person's behalf. But I'm with you, Rob.
Fine.
I think it's a slippery slope if you start doing things without permission. It really, a clinical trial is something that really does need the permission of the person involved. And we saw recently that drug that Trump was taking, the hydroxychloroquine or whatever it was called. The WHO, after a few weeks after he said that, the World Health Organization then stopped that trial because it was said to put your heart rate at risk or sort of be dangerous and perhaps deadly. So I think it is a slippery slope there. And while, you do need to balance the burden of society versus the individual, what is more important, I think in this instance, we have to say, you have to draw a line and say only if the patient has given permission or if the family member or the guardian or the legal guardian has.
It's the Ben, Rob and Robbo, Ben, Rob and Robbo, Ben, Rob and Robbo Show.